importance of education is known by all. An educated person possesses knowledge about various subjects and is worldly wise. He is more confident and better equipped to take decisions on various matters. He is an asset to the society. Adult education must be encouraged as many people are deprived of the right to education during their childhood, owing to various reasons. Adult education programs allow them to seek education during adulthood. Importance of adults' education. Adult education, essential in a democratic setup. In democratic nations such as India, the adults are given the right to vote irrespective of their educational qualification, and on their own discretion to choose between right and wrong. An illiterate person can never understand the nitty-gritty of the political system. He has no knowledge about his rights and the duties of the leaders chosen by him. What use is it to give the power to choose the leaders in the hands of people who have no knowledge about the hows, whats and whens of the political system? One of the main purposes of the adult education is to increase the literacy rate of the country, so that its citizens are equipped to take better decision when it comes to choosing the government. Adult education must be given special importance in a democratic setup so that people can exercise their right to vote wisely. Development of the nation. Adult education also plays an important role in the development of the nation. A nation with greater number of educated people certainly stands a better chance to develop and prosper. Well-educated people enter various professional fields and work hard to acquire the skills required to handle their positions efficiently. They develop the zeal to learn and grow. As they grow professionally, so does their organization and eventually the nation as a whole. It goes without saying that if we have greater number of educated and skilled professionals in our country, then it will grow and develop at a greater speed. Ways to implement adult education. Here are some of the ways to implement adult education. The government must set up adult education schools in every nook and corner of the country. The teachers and the management of the schools set up in the remote areas must take initiative to contact the adults living there and encourage them to make the most of the adult education programs. Roadside skits should be performed to emphasize the importance of adult education. The government must promote adult education by way of radio, television and other mediums. Those enrolled at the adult education schools must encourage those around them to join these schools and seek education. Conclusion. Adult education is of utmost importance. While the government of our country has already understood its importance, a large number of people in our country are yet to recognize it. A number of schools have been set up by the government to provide adult education. However, the role of the government does not end here. It needs to sensitize the importance of education among the masses. People must recognize the need to get educated in order to feel determined to enroll at adult education schools.